Versare is a Minneapolis-based manufacturer and retailer of room dividers, cubicle partitions, acoustic panels, and more. We guarantee the best build quality, the lowest prices, and the fastest delivery. Versare partitions, like the Room Divider 360, offer exclusive features not found anywhere else on the market. Our patented 360-degree hinge technology provides a full range of movement per panel. This will give you unlimited setup flexibility and no chance for over-rotating panels or pinching fingers. Our made-in-the-USA dividers are constructed with durable aircraft aluminum frames. These lightweight frames fully protect the panels from rubbing and will not rust. You'll find full-sized panels on each end of our partition walls, which will discourage children from climbing and eliminate tripping hazards. The combination of full-sized panels and lightweight materials assures no injuries should the partitions somehow fall. Our partitions are handmade according to your specifications. Need something custom built? No problem. Want to print your own design or logo? Totally doable. We take great care to ensure your product arrives undamaged. We're the only manufacturer to ship on strong wooden pallets. We also place styrofoam on the edges with corrugated cardboard on the top, bottom, and all sides. In addition to the Room Divider 360, Versare offers a huge selection of high-quality portable partitions and dividers that can seamlessly integrate into any area. Divide space quickly and easily. We're certain you won't find a better built divider at a more affordable price.